In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a peso sign in Google Sheets. If you're dealing with financial data in the Philippines, incorporating the peso sign can make your spreadsheets look more professional and easier to understand. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure your figures reflect the currency accurately. First, what you want to do is open a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive, clicking on New, and selecting Google Sheets. Once you have the sheet open, you're ready to make it your own by adding the peso sign. Next, you'll need to direct your attention to the menu bar. There, you'll find an option labeled Format. Give that a click. This opens up a drop-down menu that enables you to modify how your data is presented in the spreadsheet. Among the various options, Number will be the next choice to make. Hover your cursor over Number, and you'll see additional formatting options appear. Now go down the list until you see Custom Currency. Once you spot it, click it. This is the step where you can dictate which currency symbol to use, and it's key to adapting your sheet specifically to the Philippine peso. In the search bar that appears, type in Philippine peso. As you type, possible matches might start to appear, but continue typing until Philippine peso is clearly listed in your results. Once you see it, click on Philippine peso. Selecting this option ensures that the peso sign will be paired correctly with your data. After making that selection, you'll notice an Apply button. Be sure to click it. This action will put all your changes into effect, pairing the peso sign with any numerical data entered in this particular format. With the currency formatting now in place, it's time to put it to use. Click on a cell where you want your number to reflect the peso sign. Type in a numerical value, maybe something as straightforward as 1,000. Make sure you're satisfied with your data entry, then hit the Enter key. With that done, you'll notice the peso sign now appearing next to your value in the cell, offering a clear indication of the currency being used. That's all there is to it. You have successfully formatted your Google Sheets to use the Philippine peso sign, making your spreadsheet both functional and visually accurate. It's a simple yet powerful way to handle currency data within your documents. Keep in mind that you can repeat these steps anytime for different datasets, ensuring your financial information is consistently formatted. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.